Good afternoon. Today I've got this brand new 1 quart pot from Cuisinart, which I already have an older one, almost the same exact thing, except this one that's a few years old has a metal top instead of this clear top as in this brand new one. And the reason I got this brand new one here is because I want to find out if when it comes to making Tahdig as flawless as possible, does it make a difference when you're using a brand new pot as opposed to an older one, even if it seems like that older one is perfectly fine on the inside. Because a lot of times what happens is that when I want to make Tahdig, the rice gets stuck inside of the pot, and I want to make sure that the Tahdig comes out flawlessly every single time that I make it. So I'm going to do an experiment between these two different pots. I'm going to do the same exact recipe for making Tahdig in both of these pots. One is brand new, one is several years old, and I'm going to find out how they come out. And does the one in the brand new pot actually come out much better than the one that's a lot older? Let's go ahead and find out. All right, so here we got two pots. This is the brand new one from Cuisinart. This is the older one from Cuisinart. I'm gonna lift the lids off and I'm gonna add 2 cups of water to each one. Turn on the stove for each one. Tablespoon of butter for each one. Salt. Turmeric. Liquid saffron, one cup of rice to each one. Mix each one. So now that they're boiling, I'm going to transfer them over to this smaller stove and cook them both at a low heat for about 43 minutes. See you in 43 minutes. All right, 43 minutes is up. Let's see what we got with the new pot and the old pot of Tahdig. Starting with that new pot of Tahdig in that brand new pot. Let's see what we got here. Oh my gosh, look at that wiggle. Jesus Christ, you see that? Look how well that thing wiggles. Let's bring it right over here. And wow, would you look at that? Would you look at that? That's beautiful. That's beautiful. 43 minutes in the brand new pot. And how about that older pot? Older pot, let's see. It's got a wiggle. It's got a wiggle. Oh my gosh, it snapped off just a bit. So the bottom line is that it doesn't make a huge difference, or it doesn't seem to make a huge difference in terms of using a brand new pot versus using a pot that's several years old but I did see a bit of a slight difference when it comes to how clean the Tahdig comes out in terms of the color being uniform throughout. Thank you very much.